guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambi, K-A-P-P-A, Kappa with a double P. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating a dish that brings back childhood memories. My father would be steaming fish wrapped in banana leaves, tiny fish steamed in banana leaves. It is called otepa, watepa, depa, tap. In my language, what is it called in yours? Do let me know in the comment section. To make this dish, we will need some tiny fishes. I'm making use of anchovies as I stay in Chennai and I have access to sea fish. Back at home, it is a common sight of women and children catching fish using miniature versions of Chinese fishing nets in lush green paddy fields. The fish they catch are tiny and are of different variety. They are so tasty. You will also require ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, coarsely pounded green chilies, 8 to 10 in number, mustard oil 1 tablespoon, and salt to taste. Cleaning tiny fish is quite easy, but it is quite annoying as there are too many to clean. So to clean these anchovies, you can either take out the head, pull out the guts, and put your thumb in and run it down the stomach. If you like the head, then grab the lower part of the mouth, pull it downwards, and then run your thumb down like this. Give the fish a nice wash and marinate them in a deep bowl and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Pack the marinated fish inside banana leaves. I am making use of banana leaves that were cut a couple of days ago. Old banana leaves don't tear that easily. If you are using fresh banana leaves, run it over the fire to make it more pliable. Secure with the banana fibers and it's ready to be cooked. Originally, this would be buried under the hot ash of burnt out fire to be cooked, or you can place it on a hot tawa to cook it. I'm going to use a bamboo steamer. In case you decide to cook on a tawa, make sure you give extra layers of banana leaves and allow the first few layers to be charred. My steamer is steaming. I think it is done. It has been 15 minutes. Let's take it out and check. You know that your dish is ready when the banana leaves, they change color so they look different. And this looks well done and it looks so beautiful. Enjoy this dish with a bowl full of steaming hot rice. Thank you so much for watching Eat Your Kappa. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And if you have any interesting recipes that you would like to share from your end, please send an email to eatyourkappa@gmail.com and you will definitely be featured. Until then, take care, stay indoors, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.